Alright, let's get into it. You click the title, you know what it's about. It's a Delta Team USA Airbus a330-900 a330-NEO. Official airline of Team USA. It's a 1 to 400 scale, of course. Take a look at the artwork. CGI image. As real as it gets. Alright. Is that common pop top? Airbus A330, you can read it if you want. Blah blah blah. TAP Air Portugal was the first operator of the aircraft. Kuwait Airways was the first operator A330-800, which is not very popular. Alright, let's look at this. It's got the Rolls-Royce Trent engines. First flight of this aircraft was 2021. Registration November 411. Delta X-ray. 8,200 miles. Wow. 287 mixed class seating. The length is 208, almost 209 feet. The wingspan is about the same. It's almost a square. Same, same length as width. Wingspan 210. It's only 1 foot difference. The height is 55 feet 1 inch. Alright, the box is about 6 inch square. 6 inches by 6 inches, which is about a little less than 16 centimeters if you use centimeters. Take a look at it. Nice looking plane in a box. Open it. Put you on pause. Plastic. There she is. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Feels quality. Feels quality. I don't know why, but it feels like a quality model. It's got a couple ounces. I should get my scale out and weigh it. Scale. And it's 159 grams. Alright, so 159 grams is about 5.5 ounces. It actually feels like it weighs more than that, but it doesn't. Yeah, almost half a pound. I guess that's a little bit of weight for something small. For something so small. Flag carrier. You see the Olympic logo there. USA. You can see the Sky Team logo. I don't know how good the zoom is working. Looks pretty blurry on my phone. Delta titles. See the, what do they call that? Forgot what they call it. Billboard titles, Team USA. It's got a nice blue and red stripe. I don't know. Oh, that's a couple of stars. There's the registration, November 411 Delta X-ray. Look at the engines. It's got the raccoon windshield, nice looking nose cone. For a small, 1 to 400 model, it's got some nice antenna there. Got the red jewel light, the Wi-Fi box, another antenna, 3 antennas on the top. The APU exhaust looks nice. It's got the tail, it's got the registration number or whatever, ship number. Great looking plane, really happy to have it in my collection. I mean, don't look at this runway because this is the 1 to 200 scale runway. The plane looks tiny, right, on the numbers. That's because it's, those numbers are twice as big as they're supposed to be for this size plane. And GEMINI Jets logo there. Wheels look nice. They roll nicely. Quality, feels quality. These don't roll as nice. Oh, they tilt too, look at that. Tilting, man, on a 1 to 400 scale. Tilting landing gear. Tilting main gear. That's awesome. I didn't realize it did that, man. I have to really zoom in because it's small. There's a landing, there's a nose wheel. Nose gear. I don't feel like they roll so much. I don't know. I don't think those roll, but it's so small it doesn't really need to. You see some markings on the engines. Nice looking markings. I don't know if they're true to the model. But it looks legit to me. You can see the cargo door. I don't know what the little door is for. There, cargo door in the front. No, oh, maybe it's underneath, yeah. I see it now. Cargo door there. Official airline. There's the logo of the Olympics, I guess. Team USA. Nice looking plane. Super happy to have it in my collection. There's a couple of my other wide body. Another Delta. This is the a330-900, a little bit bigger. Oh, did I fail to mention that the length of this plane is 6¼ inches long? 6¼ which is about 16 centimeters. And the width is, the wingspan is almost exactly the same. Because in real life it's 209 feet long and 210 feet wingspan. So I mean, it's 1 to 400 scale, it's not even noticeable. This is the a350-900, which is a little bit bigger. Not much. Look at it like this. See, the wings look a little bigger. The wing looks bigger on the a350-900 over the a330-NEO. And over here, we're gonna have the freighter. It's a freighter. It's the a330-200. This is the a330-200 freighter from Avianca. Really nice plane. I mean, they can't beat this Delta 100-year livery, though. I mean, look, the silver and the blue is just awesome. One of my favorite. There's a 1 to 200 right there. Got 787-9, 787-10. I got the 787-8 in the Air Canada mint green. All right, let's see how much this weighs. $145 grams. $186, almost 186 grams for the Airbus A350-900, and the star of the show is right at 159. Alright, remember to smash the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and all that good stuff. I'll see you on the next video. Johnny V out. My 1 to 400. Team USA. Peace out. Smash the thumbs up.